Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your break. I hope you had a nice relaxing time, spent some time with your family, and maybe even did some time, uh, excuse me, did some time exercising your brain as well. We're going to jump right into it today. So the very first thing I need you to do is go ahead and complete this survey. It is me telling you that I'm changing the locking of assignments. So last semester, quarter two, we locked assignments 14 days after they were assigned and due, and that helped motivate you guys to complete your work. But I noticed that it wasn't doing quite enough. I'm still not getting complete engagement in the classroom, so we are going to now be locking the assignments in science class 7 days after they're assigned and due. So that means that if you have an assignment that is due today, it is going to be locked and therefore cannot be turned in after the 11th at 11:59. So your goal as students, even you who are online, is to be completing assignments every day, just like you are in face-to-face school. We know and understand as teachers that internet issues happen. That's why you have the 7 days. So 7 days is an entire week. That's plenty of time to get stuff done, and if you have issues, that would be where you send an email to us. What is not going to be happening is a scramble at the end of the quarter to try and get a whole quarter's worth work done, and then for me to grade that in a week or even a couple days. That is not acceptable, and it won't happen in science class. So to help prevent that, we are doing 7 days. It's kind of a scaffolding, so we're working you up to doing that work daily. Again, the most successful students on our online environment and our face-to-face environment complete work every single day, and that is your goal. So if you understand this, I want you to please type into the survey, I understand that assignments will be locked 7 days after being assigned. This isn't graded, so you're not getting any points for this. I need you to read it though and understand that we are changing the assignment due date. Okay. And then the next thing that you are going to be doing is a properties of water investigation. So this is the very first of your choice board activities. Again, I've missed seeing you, whether that be virtually or in person over break. I hope again that you exercise your minds during the month apart. We're going to be beginning our unit on the hydrosphere, and I'm really excited. We're going to spend a little over a month talking about water. To do this, though, we first must understand the properties of water. Today and tomorrow, you're going to be doing either a lab on the properties of water or a stations activity on the properties of water. Both will help you understand more about the molecules that allow for life. Again, so if you choose to do that lab at home, that's fine, but you have to have the supplies. So most of them are household items like salt and water, a penny, and maybe some droppers. Which, by the way, if you don't have a dropper, you can use a straw and kind of pull your finger off of it in a drop formation. But if you don't have these items, you're going to have to do the station activity. So that's why it's an optional thing. You need to pick what fits best for you. Again, though, some lab supplies can be replaced with household things like a beaker instead of using one, because most people don't have a beaker sitting around their house. Use a plastic cup. So here is everything that you need for the stations activity. If you click it, it comes up with a sheet. Again, you're going to have to make your own copy. Make sure you change the share settings so that I can view it when you're done and I can grade your work. Here it is. So you're going to click on this PDF right here. It's going to bring up all of the stations that you would be doing in the classroom onto an online format. You're going to use these to answer the questions on this sheet. Okay, and then if you choose to do the lab, it's similar. You're also going to need to make your own copy, need to change the share settings. You're going to follow the instructions and fill out the lab investigation questions. Okay? Shouldn't be too terribly difficult. If you have any questions, let me know. This is a 2-day activity. So this is what you'll do on Monday and Tuesday. Again, and this is new as well due to some feedback that I've had from your fellow students. I'm going to start putting these video lectures inside the actual assignment themselves versus in the module part, so that if you have to go back, you're not having to click so many tabs. So I'm going to post this on modules today and in the assignment, but from now on, you're only going to find this video lecture inside your assignments. Okay, it'll be like a blue link, just like these sheets right here. Okay. Have a good day. If you have any questions, please email me. If you choose to do all of this in one day, then just know that you won't have science to do on Tuesday. You are more than welcome to and highly encouraged to spread this out for 2 days. All right. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy.